Hey everyone, Mike Kai from the Cooking with Kai channel and other fun stuff. This falls under the other fun stuff category. We were looking for some more storage space for a lot of our kitchen items, and Carrie and I ended up going to, sorry about the finger there, Carrie and I went to Menard's because they've always had some great shelving. We got that shelving. Sorry about my junk. Anyway, we got that shelving. It's only 3 feet, 2 feet wide. 2 feet wide? Something like, I don't know, 2 feet. This is 4 feet wide and 88 inches tall. It was $139. It comes in this little box, but it's 104 pounds. So have your friend or your wife throw it in the back of the trunk for you. But it fit in our little Ford Focus. Anyhow, 86 inches tall. It assembles within minutes. Shelves adjust in 1.5-inch increments. It is incredible. 48 wide, 24 deep, 86 high. This thing, I've spent like 20 minutes on it, and this is where I'm at. I'm putting in the last rails, the last shelves, the last shelf, and we bought a bunch of these boxes so we can put items we don't want in the house, put it in here. We don't have a basement, so that's why something like this comes in really handy. So it'll go up against the wall. But it's really ingenious too. It comes in 2 sections, and these are splices that splice the top half and the bottom half. And you don't want to hit these with your hand. You don't want to hit these rails with your hand. Get a mallet or a block of wood and a hammer, something like that. So these things, they just pop in. They pop in, and then they go down like a 1/4 of an inch. So they pop in from behind, and then this is really easy to do. So they go like that, and then they pop down. And you do all 4 of them, and they basically rigidize the whole thing as soon as you pop them in. Then you lay in the press board. I was going to go ahead and I was going to put a coat of varnish on these, but I don't think that's going to happen. Maybe later in the summer I'll do that. And then the garage will smell like fine furniture, even though it's just a rack, a heavy-duty steel shelving rack from Menard's. This thing, I'm telling you, if you have a lot of junk in your garage and it's scattered in boxes and you can't find, you don't know what's what, you don't know where that juicer is that you want, that or that rice cooker you never use, this is where you could put it, in these clear boxes. So, and the boxes we got 6 of them. I believe they were $11.99, $12. You can't even get a large pizza with the works for $12. Okay, fine. If you have a, what are those? A Little Caesars coupon or whatever. Who wants to eat that anyway? So, there. You can vote. Vote down below in the comments what your favorite cheap pizza is. We don't buy cheap pizzas in our house. We buy good ones. Stancatos here in Parma, or Augie's in Broadview Heights. That's what we go, on State. They're both on State, ironically enough. Anyway, that's it. Mike Kai, signing off. My wife's hard at work doing sit-ups, push-ups, and everything so she can help finish the rest of this with me. Anyway, that's it. Hope you're having a great week.